Module 2, Touch and Hover Animations. In this module, we're going to look into the ways our visitors interact with our web pages and apps. We will look at what happens when visitors hover, focus, or tap on links and content, and see how animation can help with these interactions. When we build our designs on the web, we think about the state of the elements on the screen. Our links, for example, have a default state, a visited state, hover, focus, as well as active states. Each state provides meaningful feedback to our visitors. When a link is hovered, a visual change of state helps people know that what they hovered really is a link. In this module, we'll take on the challenge of bringing animation to these interactions. Along the way, we'll animate the underlines on our anchor links. We'll animate helpful tooltips over the text. Reveal content on hover, as well as animating all the states of a button. As we do this, we'll see how we can use the transition property efficiently, combining multiple transitions and getting the most out of very few lines of CSS. You should find attached to this lesson a file called 02.zip. This contains all the code for each lesson.